And in this episode of my 20 favourite things in Cornwall, in no particular order, we head off to St Michael's Mount, an extraordinary castle perched atop a cliff in the middle of the sea, with these ornate rooms inside and a chapel right at the very top. Amazing views and an exotic garden. We devour crab sandwiches and delve into some delicious Cornish pasties before heading back to St Ives to dig a gigantic hole and fly the drone across Portsmouth Beach. So enjoy this episode of TravelDog in Cornwall. TravelDog here, day 5, and it is a beautiful morning down here. It's literally right in the Mediterranean. The sea is turquoise and blue, it's warm, it's sunny, everybody's out surfing. Takes St Ives, looks good. These rocks look beautiful. It's just stunning. Stunning. Everybody's down here with their dogs at the moment, so you have to get the dogs off the beach at 10. So it's dog fest time. Hey Jeff, dog fest time. Come on, beauty. So, another one of the things I love doing in Cornwall that I think is one of the favourite things you do when you're here is visiting St Michael's Mount. Yes, that crazy castle thing on top of a hill out there across the ocean. There's 2 ways to get there. If the tide is out, you can walk across like a causeway. The tide is in at the moment, so we're going to have to get a boat which takes you across there. So it's a full-on adventure. You can't go on the island at all with the dog, so Jeff's chilling it out. Absolutely beautiful down here. Look at it, the crazy castle. One of these people chilling out on the beach. Okay, so down here, closer to the castle thing. And there's the boats just over there. I'm going to get on one of them in a second. National Trust gets us in free, but you have to pay £14.20. It's like £5.50 for an adult, £2.80 for a child for return on the boat. And interesting enough, they said the tide will only get deeper from here on in, which is kind of weird. Get on the boat. Cheers, dude. Thank you very much. Hey, come on, crew, on the boat. Where do you want to sit? Okay, we're on the boat. Loads of boats everywhere now. Everybody going around on their boats. That one's heading off to the island. Very, very cool. Look at that. Nice. Doggy on board, man. Got doggy on board. Yeah, no. Okay, crew, we're off. Here we go. One time we got this boat and the island was evacuated. It was so rough and it was absolutely terrifying. Yeah, it's weird. And they had to sort of, the guy was so good at driving the boat, he drove it in and out of the waves, weaved it back and forth. He sort of went along the waves and then cut through completely mad. Anyway, we're coming up to this harbour section. Some cool views of the house there. Coming into the harbour bit. Oh, nice. Here we go. Let's get out. Yeah. And we're here. We have arrived. Okay, we're here. We are at the place. Nice. Look at that. What a cool adventure. Mrs. G just was remembering how last time we were here we had to evacuate the island. Anyway, right now it looks rather beautiful and calm in this bit here. Here we go. So you've got a few little shops, toy shop. This is sort of, you know, National Trust Mini area. Yeah, last time we did make a basket. That was kind of cool, which we were making as we were evacuated. Cool shop. Soaps, blankets, tea towels, fudge. Rain coverers. That's a cool thing. What is that? That's a light. $3.99. You found a giant pencil. $3.99. It's a good price for a giant pencil. Stretchy shop. You got all these different little cafes and shops. It's quite like a little mini village on an island. This is probably the more popular, straightforward place to eat, the Island Cafe. Alright, let's see what this place does. You know, breakfast, sandwiches, baguettes, wraps, hot food. cold drinks, cakes, you know, like lemon and herb chicken wrap. Actually, it's quite nice, isn't it? I like the fans, and the cake's cool. Right, pasties, Cornish pasty, baguettes. Sitting in the blazing sun, having a bit of lunch. There's the crab sandwich I bought. Look at all that crab he's in there. That just looks divine. Let's give it a bite. So good. Really good. Almost better than I forget. This is the Cornish pasty from inside here. It's got the national trust. Smells good. Look at that. It's a crispy baked bottom. Look at that. Crack it open. It's actually really hot. Not very oniony. Oh, look at that. No, it's very nice actually. Look, it's good, baby. Nice succulent bits of meat and potato. It should all be cooked raw inside the pasty. Really? Let's give it a bite. Get into it. Really good. Rich, flavoursome, really satisfying. Very, very nice indeed. Look at that. It's more peppery, I think.
The pastry does.
Pastry's
quite
soft.
thin and soft. It's pretty good.
Suddenly I realised you can't fly the drone here anywhere around here because it seems to be Penzance Airport. You'd have to get permission. So I'm lugging this drone around with me for no reason. Right, look at the ice cream loonies. Oh man, midget, that looks good, baby. Good ice cream?
Yeah.
Looks really good. Right, climbing up to the castle now. These steps that you have to go on. Galloping up this crazy kind of cliff thing. This is the giant's well. Oh, is that where the giant lives, in that well? So on the ground here is the giant's heart. Mrs. D is rather brilliantly spotted. Oh yeah, the giant's heart. Oh, okay, there is a sign. So we made it up to the sort of first bit of the place. Castle there behind us. Got a cool bit of all these cannons here. Nice. That's a cool view down there. That castle just looks so cool like that, man. Clambering around here. Climbing up this crazy castle. It's about to head in. This is going to be cooler in here.
Good afternoon, Martin.
Oh yeah? Cool view here out of the crazy window. Oh, there's the crazy stuff here, man. Look at these little doggies. This is a study, is it?
It's a library.
Oh, it's a library.
It was originally the kitchen, but then it was converted into
It is rather beautiful, the library, isn't it? Is that a pug?
a Frenchie.
It's not a Frenchie, it's just a weird semi thing. This room is so cool.
Not that nice.
I think it's really nice. This room has got crazy vaulted ceiling. It's got a big table. It's beautiful. It's got this cool kind of frieze running all the way around the edge of the room, like showing animal capture and stuff. It's got a genuinely amazing bit here where you pop out into the top of the castle. Absolutely stunning and slightly frightening. Oh, was there just a drop? Yeah, it's just a drop. Man, look at it. You can see right out to sea. Oh man, you can see the turquoise sea. That is a bad drop. That makes it go a bit queasy. That's the gardens that we'll go to. That's quite. Whoa, I feel weird. It's like you got the kind of.
What's that?
Like a church on here. Just mental, isn't it? This place. I don't really want to go around there. Can you take the GoPro and film it? Can you just film it for me?
No, you have to come.
I don't want to go around there.
Give it a
Going up to this chapel now.
you work.
It's got to be said, that garden is amazingly cool. I've forgotten there's another outside bit around here as well, isn't there? That's a cool view back down to where we came from there.
Let me go back.
That's the weird Wookiee hole to get out, isn't it? It is a good view, man, isn't it? If you look down here, you can see where you would walk. That wiggly line. So that is the causeway you would walk down. It's so cool, you actually see it. Church. Oh, it's like this weird sculpture here. That's really cool. Hot today, man. Got a nice stained glass window down that end as well. Okay, mini door, we're out to view mini door. I always like this bit, it's really sort of looks nice, doesn't it? I love this blue room. There is an Egyptian mummy. Bit bizarre. So I always like that mock-up castle. It's cool, isn't it? Funky as you mooch your way down here. Got all this crazy like armour in here. Check it out, like Bushido armour. So first time we're wandering around to these gardens. Got this absolutely amazingly beautiful sort of green area here. Weirdly enough, we haven't even got to the actual official gardens yet. The official gardens seem to be somewhere up here. Amazing view of the castle from here, man. Look at it. Right up there on the hill. The edge of that building. It's just astonishing. Got this freaky kind of pillbox thing down here. We're going to go inside. Oh man, that is quaint. Look at that, man. Mel's Bay Beach was considered to be a vulnerable target for invasion. Designated a classified beach in means of protection. Heading into the garden, everybody. Garden entrance. Let's go in. See what happens. Come on, everybody. Look at it. This is like Patrick Heron's garden, but better. It's actually genuinely rather magical. Oh man, look at that. Just insane. It's crazy big weird plants. This is actually one of the best bits of the whole place. It's genuinely weird. Look, there's little secret spots to hide in. You wander down here past these amazing plants. And everybody, look at that. So beautiful. Up round here. Nice, look at that. Of these weird red plants. Got a kind of rampart area down here it goes on to. And you can have a picnic with your fancy friends. Every viewpoint from here is just stunning, man. Look at it, look at that. Absolutely mental. All sorts of mad cool stuff here, look at it. Terraced garden plot, like on a prehistoric cliff. It's quite interesting. Cool, look at that. Oh man, look, that goes on down to this bit as well. All these little ways to weave yourself around here, man. We're going up here now. Giant thing, cactus. Oh, really spiky, man, aren't they? Cool. These weird plants. So weird, like cactus. Mental place, man. Goes in all the way down there as well. Weird sort of maze. Come down here, you've got an amazing view of the sea smashing onto everything. Oh look, nice little spot to chill there, man. It appears giant pencil is taking place. Giant pencil chosen. Stunning day at St Michael's Mount. We're just queuing up to get the boat back now, basically. Here they are, the boats are arriving. The trip back over there.
Let's get you down there. Get down the steps, wait on the flat surface.
Right, there's a boat and we're getting onto it. We're on. And you see, there's 1, 2, 3 boats coming out to the island as we head back. Yes. Midget actually digging the hole for once, everybody. Good buggy. Good boy, Martin. He just jumped into it.
What? There was no chance.
What is the nutter doing? Nutter! Come on. And you can see the hole we've been digging just down there in front of those houses. And then it's time to whisk the drone out over the sea to look back at Porthmere Beach and the town of St Ives spread out there below. Such an amazing beach with those beautiful waves, and as we turn around you get to see not only the beautiful translucent Mediterranean-like sea, but also the views down there towards Zenor. And just look out over that rippling sea as the sun is beginning to set. absolutely extraordinary views out there. And as we move on round, we come back to St Ives and the island, that beautiful green bit just at the very end of St Ives. And once again, it's worth just having a look at that extraordinarily translucent water with those gorgeous little seagulls flapping across it. Then it's time to pound our way back to St Ives before the sun completely sets and swoop back to the beach. And this just shows you just how gorgeous Porthmeor Beach is. Look at those amazing waves just getting ready for the surfers to jump on them in the morning.